Hello and welcome to Motorcaravan.com. Today, in a very snowy December it's been, is a Bailey Approach 740 SE. This is on the Peugeot Boxer 2.2 HDI. As you can see from the outside, it's got a side canopy awning, Yamaha awning. The Baileys are built on the Alutech chassis, aluminium chassis. On the rear, we've got a bike rack and a camera. As we head inside, starting with the cab, we've got cab air conditioning, 6-speed gearbox, CD radio player, reversing camera, electric mirrors and electric windows. As we face towards the rear, first we've got the lounge, which consists of 2 singles with storage above and below. This area converts into a double bed. In the centre we've got the kitchen area, which is sink, hob, oven, grill, drawers and more. On the opposite side we've got a cupboard, full length fridge, microwave and more storage. Above the door is the master control panel. At the rear is a French corner bed, a double bed to complete the 4 berth, storage below and above as you can see. On the opposite side we've got a full length wardrobe, and to finish off in the corner we've got a very large bathroom, to be fair. Sink, mirror, toilet and shower compartment. If you've got any questions on this motorhome, or if you've got a motorhome to sell, get in touch by visiting Motorcaravan.com or calling 01283 240 237.